Students, now let's start our next exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Here we find out the simplified way of doing addition by carrying. Let us do the addition of two 4-digit number with carrying over. While you love to know that this method is also called addition by regrouping. Some examples to make you understand about the addition of two 4-digit number with carry over. So the example is 3863 plus 4978. First step is we should arrange them according to their place value first, as I already done here. Now step 2, add ones place digits. Ones place digits are 3 and 8. What we get the answer here? 11. And as you know, 11 is a 2-digit number. Write 1 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. The tens place including this 1 carried over. Okay. What we get here? 6 plus 7, 30. And plus 1, that is 14. Okay. Again 14 is a 2-digit number. So we do the same process again. The sum of all number is 14. Now write 4 is on the ones place and carry over 1 here. Okay. Now add 100-digit numbers including this 1 carry. Okay. Now add here all these numbers including this 1. Okay. So if we add 9 plus 8, what we get the answer? That is 17. And 17 plus 1 is 18. Again 18 is a 2-digit number. So we do the same process. The sum of all these numbers are 18. Now write 8 is on the 100th place and carry it over. 1 is on thousands place. Now we have to add 1000 place digits, that are 3 and 4. If we add 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 and 1, 8. So here we have to write 8. Okay. So if we add 3863 plus 4978, we get the answer 8841. Okay. Now let's solve another example like this. Okay. So the first step is we have to arrange them according to the place value that we already done. Okay. Now the second step is we have to add ones place digits, that are 7 and 2. The answer 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Okay. Now there is no carry here. Now again we have to add these tens place digits number, that are 8 and 3. If we add 8 and 3, what we get the answer? 11. Right. So 11 is a 2-digit number. Write 1 is in the tens place and another number, that is carry over here, 1. Okay. Now add 100th place digits, that are 9 and 5 including this 1 carry. Okay. Don't forget this carry. This is very important for us. So now add 9 and 5. 9 and 5 if we add, then what we get the answer? 14. And 14 plus 1, that is 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. So we write here 5 and 1 carry over the thousands digit. Okay. Now add the thousands place number, that are 7 and 1. If we add 7 and 1, what we get? 8. 8 plus 1, this carry. Yes, 8 plus 1, 9. So we get the answer here. If we add 7987 plus 1532, we get the answer 9590. 9500s, 1 tens, 9 ones. Next example is we have to add here 6666 and another number is 9876. Again start from the ones place. We have to add the ones place digits, that are 6 and 6. If we add 6 plus 6, we get the answer 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number, so we write here 2 here and 1 is carried over here. Okay. Again, now we have to add these numbers which are on the tens place digits. So 6 is on tens place digits and 7 is also on tens place digits. So we have to add these numbers that are 6 plus 7. So we find 13 as answer. Now 13 plus 1. This carry is really important. Always remember to add the carried over digit. Okay. So 13 plus 1, 14. Again 14 is a 2-digit number. So write 4 here and 1 is carried over hundreds place digit. Okay. Now add hundreds place digits that are 6 and 8. If we add 6 and 8, we get 14. Okay. Now 14 and plus 1, this carry. Now plus 1, that is 15. 15 is again 2-digit number. Write 5 over here and 1 is carried here. Okay. Now we have to add the 1000 place digits that are 6 and 9. If we add 6 and 9, we get 15. Okay. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. Write 6 in the 1000 place and carry over 1 to the 10,000 place. And as there is no number in the 10,000 place, keep the 1 carried over here. Okay. Now we get the answer, that is 16,542. If we add 6,666 plus 9,876, we get the answer 16,542. Really easy. Some more examples. Here we have to add 3,416 plus 1,829. So before we add these numbers, we make a box like this. We make a box like this. And by this box, we solve this sum very easily. Okay, so let's make a box. We make a box like this. Okay. Now again the same process, we have to add the ones place digits. So here, first of all, the number are 3,416. We write 3,469. Okay. 3,406 tens and 9 ones. And this is 1,829. 1,800s, 2 tens and 9 ones. Now add ones place digits that are 9 and 9. If we add 9 and 9, what we get the answer? 18. Okay. And 18 is a 2-digit number. So we write here 8 and 1 as carried over here. Okay. Now add tens place digits including this carried 1. Okay. Now 6 plus 2. If we add 6 plus 2, we get 8 answer. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. 8 plus 1. If we add this carry, we get the answer 9. 9. Okay. Now add hundreds place digits. If we add 4 and 8. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. And there is no carried over here. So we write here 12. But 12 is a 2-digit number again. So we write here 2 as an 100 place and 1 is a carried over here. Okay. Now add 1000 place digits that are 3 plus 1. If we add 3 plus 1, we get 4. 4 plus 1, this carry, we have to include this carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So if we add 3,469 plus 1,829, we get the answer 5,298. Again, the next example we have to solve here. We have to make a box like this. So we make the box. Now we have to add 6,148 plus 8,790. 6 is on thousands place, 1 hundreds place, 4 tens place, and we placed 8 is on ones place. Now another number is 8790. We placed 8 digit as thousands place, 7 is on hundreds place, 9 is on tens place, and 0 is on ones place. Now start the sum from ones place. If we add 8 plus 0, that is 0 property. If we add 8 plus 0, the number is itself here. So we write here 8. Now we have to add tens place digits that are 4 and 9. If we add 4 and 9, so we get the answer 13. Now there is no carry, so we write here 13. But 13 is 2-digit number, so we write 3 only here is on tens place and 1 is carried over or hundreds place. Okay. Now again we have to add the digits of 100 place, that is 1 and 7. If we add 1 and 7, would we get the answer? Right, 8. We get the answer 8. And now we have to add this carry, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Now there is no carry here, so we add only 6 and 8. If we add 6 and 8, would we get the answer? We get 14. So we write 4 here and 1 here. 14 is a 2-digit number. We write 4 in the thousands place and carry over 1 to the 10,000 place. As there is no number in the 10,000s place, keep the 1 carried over. So we get the answer 14,938. If we add 6,148 plus 8,790, we get the answer 14,938. 1 10,000, 4,000, 900, 3 tens and 8 ones. Now students, let's do the addition of 3-4 digit number. We add 3-4 digit number in the same way as we add 2 digit number. Okay. So here we have to add 2,617 plus 3,872 plus 2,643. It is same as that 2 digit numbers. This question is just same as the 2 4-digit numbers. Okay. Now add here ones place digits is in ones place. Here what we find the number? 7, 2 and 3. So we have to add 7 plus 2 plus 3. Now 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 3, 12. So what we get the answer? 12. 12 is a 2-digit number, so we write 2 only here and 1 is carried over here. Okay. Now again we have to add the tens place digits number that are 1, 7 and 4. If we add 1 plus 7, we get 8. And 8 plus 4, again the answer is 12. But now this carry, we never forget this carry. So 12 plus 1, 13. The answer is 13. And 13 is again 2-digit number. So we write 3 only here and 1 as carry over the hundreds place. Again the same process, we have to add the 100 place digits that are 6, 8 and 6. If we add 8 plus 6, the answer is 14. And 14 plus 6 is 20. So we write but 1 carry here. So 20 plus 1, 21. So we write 1 here is on hundreds place and 2 as carry over thousands place. Okay. Now we have to add the digit of thousands place digit that are 2, 3 and 2. If we add 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. And if we add 5 plus 2, the answer is 7. Now 7 and this 2 carry. We have to add this 2 carry with 7. Then 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Okay. If we add 2617 plus 3872 plus 2643, we get the answer 9132. This is really easy as 2 4-digit numbers. Now let's solve second example. So here the numbers are 3895 plus 1206 plus 7381. Again start from the ones place. If we add ones place digits, 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 plus 1, we find 12. 12 is a 2-digit number, so we write 2 only here, and 1 is carry over tens place. Okay. Now is on tens place. We have to add these numbers 9, 0 and 8. If we add 9 plus 0, the answer is the number itself, that is 9. Okay. Then we have to add 9 plus 8. If we add 9 plus 8, we get the answer, that is 17. Okay. 17 and this one carry. 17 plus 1, we find 18 as answer. Okay. So 18 is a 2-digit number, so we write 8 over here and 1 as carry over hundreds place. Now again we have to add hundreds place digits, that are 8, 2 and 3. If we add 8 plus 2, we get 10 answer. Now we have to add 10 plus 3. The answer is 13. Now 1 carry again here. So we have to add 13 plus 1, that is 14. 14. So 14 is a 2-digit number once again. So we write only 4 over here and 1 as carry. Again add 1000 place digits, that are 3 and 1 and 7. If we add 3 plus 1, we get 4 answer. Now 4 plus 7, what we get here, students? Yes, 11. Okay, 11 and 1 carry over here. 11 and 1, 12. And 12 is a 2-digit number. Write 2 is in the thousands place and carry over 1 to the 10,000s place. As there is no number in the 10,000 place, keep the 1 carry over here. So we get our answer here, 12,482. 1 10,000, 2 thousands, 4 hundreds, 8 tens and 2 ones. So if we add 3,895 plus 1,206 plus 7,381, we get the answer 12,482. The question 4 is, add the following numbers. We have to add here 9,237, 1085 means 1085 and 4,827. We have to add these 3 numbers by making this box. And as you know, this box really helps you to solve the sum very easily. So now again we have to make a box here. So here we make a box like this. So the number is 9,237. 9,237. Second number is 1085. 1085. Next number is 4,827. So we write here like this: 4,000s, 800s, 2 tens and 7 ones. Now let's start the addition. First of all, we have to start the addition from ones place. If we add 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Now 12 plus 7 equals to 19. And once again 19 is a 2-digit number, so we write 9 here only and 1 as carried over the tens place digit. Again we have to add the tens place digits number, that are 3, 8 and 2. If we add 3 and 8, we get the answer 11, and 11 plus 2, that is 13. Now 13 is the answer and the remaining carry is here. Now we have to add 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1 equals to 14. So we write here 14 as 4 here, 1 as carry here. Okay. Now again you have to add hundreds place digits, that are 2, 0 and 8. If we add 2 plus 0, we get the answer 2. And 2 plus 8, what we get? Yes, 10. 10. But this carry is here also. So 10 plus 1, that is 11. So we write 1 here only and 1 as carried, because this is a 2-digit number and we have to write only 1 digit here. Never write 2 digits here. Now add thousands place digits, that are 9, 1 and 4. If we add 9 plus 1, we get 10. And 10 plus 4, that is 14. Now 14 plus 1. These carries are very important. Never forget to add the carries. Okay. So 9 plus 1, again 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 15 is a 2-digit number. So we write here 5 only. And 1 is on 10,000s place. Now there is no number on 10,000s place. So we keep this carried only. Write this carry here. We get our answer, that is 15,149. If we add these three numbers, we get our answer, that is 15,149. So students, here this is the last question. We have to complete the boxes by writing the number given in the center. This is a number, that is 2090. We have to write the sum of two numbers in different ways and the answer will be 2090. Okay? Students, a number can be written as the sum of two numbers in many ways. Here we have to write like this. So, the number is 2090. If we write 1000 plus 1090, what is the sum of these two numbers? Yes, the sum is 2019. Is in the same way we have to write all these numbers, like 2000 plus 90. Another number is 2000 plus 90. Another number is 1500 plus 590. If we add these two numbers, like 1500 plus 590, 2000 plus 90 or 1000 plus 190, the sum is 2090. Okay. Now some more examples, like 500 plus 1590, 1900 plus 190, 1050 plus 1040 is also, if we add 1050 plus 1040, we get the answer 2090, means 2090. Okay. More, 1290 plus 100. If we plus these two addends, we get the sum 2090, that is 2090. Another example is, if we add 2050 plus 40. These two addends, if we add these two addends, we get the answer 2019. So So in this way we complete these boxes with adding different addends, but the answer means the sum is same. Okay, so students, that's all about 3.1 and 3.2 addition chapter. Thank you and have a great day.